one, work hard, especially in the initial years, because when you don't have other responsibilities, that's the best time to work hard and learn. The second thing is, I think the corporate world will always reward the performers. If your company may not reward you, there will be a line of this thing, provided you're good. So focus on being the best in what you do, and be sincere, and work hard towards that. And I also feel that I just tell them that, look, get deep into your subjects. I think depth will matter more and more into whichever business area they're saying. Generalist also is an option, but I think if you are a specialist in something, that will take you to another level. That's it. I think these are a few messages which I just keep telling them. And the third, the most important one is humility. I think the markets will make you learn humility. जो चीज़ आप एक दिन बोलोगे और कल आपको दूसरा दिखाएगा ही कभी ना कभी. Be humble enough to just accept your mistake and move on. There's no right or wrong. You are taking a decision at that point of time based on situation. आगे बढ़िए, गलती से सीखिए. कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड आपको रिवॉर्ड करेगा.